So, what came in the post today was, whatever this is, something I ordered. It's supposed to be a Harley Quinn box. I'm a bit nervous that there isn't only Harley Quinn stuff in it, so let's have a look and see. Right, oh, no, I think it is only Harley Quinn stuff, yay! What do we have? Whatever that is. Okay, so you put the solar panel, lights it up, and it shakes from side to side, and side to side, and side to side, and side to side. Yeah, I know what those are. Never needs batteries. I suppose that's good. Batteries cost money. There's lots of little things in here. So I'm going to pull this out because I have a thing about mugs, and I don't have this one. It's another Harley mug. Yes! I'm really excited about that actually, because that's one I don't have. I don't have any. I was going to say Suicide Squad ones. That's actually not Suicide Squad. That's New 52. I might have a New 52 one somewhere, but I don't have that one. So yay! And my other mug that I got recently and had to leave behind on Aaron, my mum's bringing on Tuesday, so I get to be reunited. A packet of Suicide Squad stickers. Well, what'd you expect? I actually do have these because that big one's on my bus pass holder. One of those keyrings, I think I already have a couple of kicking about, but that's fine. Also, we're always looking for, like, raffle prizes and things. So, mind you, that might be a bit piddly to put in the raffle. We shall see. Another packet of Harley stickers, which I'm sure I've had to sit with before, but I enjoy stickers, so plenty of use for stickers. Some wristbands. I don't ever wear festival style wristband things. I don't ever wear wristbands, but these are cool. They've got the Suits of Cards logo on them, and I do like the Suits of Card. And then, like, both my jackets, I have the Suits of Card badges in the right order. And this is supposed to contain a t-shirt, so let's see what the t-shirt is. Looked quite good from what I could see. And it's giant. They only had large left apparently. And I didn't think that large would be this big, but that actually looks big even for me. So yeah, it's the classic Harley. And I do not have this t-shirt, so again that's cool. And it's got diamonds there. Yay! Yay, diamonds. But it's quite big, so I'm not sure exactly when I'll be wearing it, but I do like it. But that's cool. I love the mug. The mug is awesome. And this little thing. She'll need to we'll need to find a spot for her. She'll need to find a spot for her where she gets the sun, or she won't work. Place in direct sunlight. Press the button on the side of the base. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for things to really get knocking. See, if I have to press it and wait a whole minute for it to do anything, I'm going to have died of boredom. I do not have the patience to wait a minute for anything. So yeah, that was what was in this box. I don't think it was like a new thing. I actually think they were reduced. To be honest, I had just googled if there were any Harley Quinn dedicated subscription boxes, which sadly there aren't any ongoing boxes that are dedicated to her, but this one came up in the search and I thought, well, chances are I would have at least something in it, and if I do have stuff in it, as I say, we're always looking for raffle prizes, because the last time I got a superhero loot box thing, it must have been about a year ago actually, because I specifically remember handing off a Batgirl figure I didn't want for our Halloween movie night raffle, which I almost regret now because she was a nice figure. I just didn't really want her or have anywhere to put her because I want to collect Harley figures on like a specific level. so she didn't specifically fit in with my Guardians of the Galaxy figures, or my X-Men figures, or my Harley figures, which there are Jokers. And there's one tiny Jim Gordon, tiny Lego Jim Gordon that I kept. Usually if there's other figures in the sets, I give all the Lego stuff to somebody that I don't work alongside her, but somebody that I know from the studio I go to, who is a wee girl who likes Lego and DC superhero girls, so they go to her. Anyway, I don't really normally do stuff like this, so bye.